So clicking on the F12, so you can come to the BIOS setup here. BIOS setup, click on the BIOS setup, click enter. So you can see, and it will lead you to this proper setup here. As you can see, you go to the boot sequence, click on the advanced boot sequence option. Yeah, it must be enabled so that it will help you to boot using the legacy. Then you come to the boot sequence. Make sure you click under the legacy, not EUFI. Make sure the legacy is well checked. Then you click on the USB drive which is used to boot our device. Then you come to setup. Let me say you apply the setting. Yes, when you apply the setting, click on exit. So immediately you click on exit, it will help you to boot. Immediately click on exit, it will boot again. Hold the F12 key frequently again, trigger it frequently until it shows this line up here. So here we are, presently here we are. So we can go to the USB drive. Now you can use the USB to boot.